Staying calm is one of the most important skills you can learn in life. When you are calm, you can think clearly, make better choices, and feel more confident, even when things around you are difficult. Life brings many challenges. Sometimes you may feel stressed at school, at work, or in your personal life. Maybe someone says something that makes you upset, or maybe you face a problem that seems very hard to solve. In these moments, staying calm can help you deal with the situation in a better way. It can help you avoid saying something you might regret or making a decision that is not right for you. Why is it important to stay calm? When you are calm, your mind works better. You can listen to other people, understand their point of view, and find solutions. Being calm also helps your body. When you are stressed, your heart beats faster and you might feel nervous or tired. But when you are calm, your body relaxes. You feel more comfortable and you are able to enjoy life more. Staying calm does not mean you never feel angry or sad. Everyone feels these emotions sometimes. But when you learn how to control your feelings, you can respond to problems in a better way. You can protect your health, your relationships, and your happiness. How can you practice staying calm, even in difficult situations? The first step is to notice your feelings. When you start to feel angry or worried, take a moment to pause. Take a deep breath. Breathing slowly can help your body relax. It gives your mind time to think before you act. You can count to 10 in your head or take a few slow, deep breaths. This simple step can make a big difference. Another way to stay calm is to think about the situation. Ask yourself, is this problem really as big as it seems? Sometimes our minds make small problems feel very big. Try to see the problem in a different way. Maybe it is not the end of the world. Maybe you can find a solution or ask for help from someone you trust. Talking to someone can also help you stay calm. Share your feelings with a friend, a family member, or a teacher. Sometimes, just talking about your problem can make you feel better. You may discover that other people have faced similar problems, and they can give you good advice. It is also important to take care of your body. When you eat healthy food, sleep enough, and exercise, your body feels strong. You have more energy, and your mind feels better. If you are tired or hungry, it is harder to stay calm. So, remember to take care of yourself every day. Sometimes, life gives us very hard challenges. Maybe you lose something important, or someone you love is sick. In these moments, it is normal to feel sad or scared. But if you practice staying calm in small situations, you will be stronger when big problems come. You will know how to breathe, pause, think, and ask for help. Another good idea is to make a plan for problems. For example, if you know you get nervous before exams, make a list of things you can do to feel calm. Maybe you can review your notes, talk to your teacher, or do some exercise before the test. When you have a plan, you feel more in control, and it is easier to stay calm. Remember, staying calm is a skill. It takes practice. You might not be perfect at it at first, and that is okay. Every time you try to stay calm, you are learning and getting better. Be patient with yourself. With time, you will find that you can handle many situations with a calm mind. Now, let's learn some of the words we used in this video. If you are new to English, these words can help you understand the message better. We will explain them in a simple way. The first word is calm. When you are calm, you feel peaceful and relaxed. You are not angry or worried. For example, if you sit quietly and breathe slowly, you are calm. The next word is challenge. A challenge is something difficult that you need to do. For example, learning a new language can be a challenge. Solving a hard problem is a challenge. Another word is stress. Stress is the feeling you have when something makes you worried or nervous. If you have a lot of homework and not enough time, you might feel stress. We also use the word solution. A solution is an answer to a problem. If you are looking for a way to fix something, you are searching for a solution. The word emotion means feelings like happy, sad, angry, or scared. Everyone has emotions. Learning to control your emotions is important for staying calm. The word pause means to stop for a short time. If you pause, you do not act right away. You wait and think before you do something. Pausing can help you stay calm. The word regret means to feel sorry about something you did. If you say something mean to a friend, you might regret it later. Staying calm helps you avoid doing things you will regret. Another word is control. When you control your feelings, you do not let them make you do something you do not want to do. You are in charge of your actions. The word advice means a good idea or suggestion. If you have a problem, you can ask someone for advice. They can tell you what they think is the best thing to do. The word relationship means the way you are connected to other people. You have relationships with your family, friends, and teachers. Staying calm helps you have good relationships. The word patient means waiting calmly without getting angry. If you are patient, you can wait for something without feeling upset. The word practice means doing something again and again to get better. If you practice staying calm every day, you will become better at it. The word solution means finding an answer to a problem. For example, if you cannot open a door, you look for a solution, like finding the right key. The word control means to be in charge of something, like your emotions or actions. If you control your feelings, you can stay calm. These words are useful in many situations. Try to remember them and use them when you speak English. The more you practice, the easier it will be to understand and use these words. In conclusion, staying calm is a powerful skill. It helps you handle problems, protect your health, and enjoy life. With practice, you can learn to stay calm even when life is difficult. Remember to breathe, pause, think, and ask for help when you need it. Use the words you learned today to talk about your feelings and your challenges. Every day is a new chance to practice staying calm and to grow stronger. You can do it.